What's good, people? It's the boy, the Cape Town Forex trader. Okay, so yeah, man, I just thought I should maybe just analyze the market and maybe make a video, record something, maybe post it on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Yeah, I'll see. So yeah, here we have the GBPUSD hourly chart. Okay, so but normally what I do is I analyze the market from the weekly, daily, 4 hourly, hourly. Then the hourly time frame would be my execution time frame. But then today I'm indoors. I'm actually reading a book about technical analysis. Just I'm a perpetual student. I'm always reading and wanting to learn something new. Okay, so we have the GPUSD here, 60 minutes chart. What we have here from the beginning of this month, we had a downtrend. Okay, you see this downtrend that we had. Okay, this is August. Okay, and then the market on the 25th broke that downtrend. Okay, we went to test the lows of the 8, okay, 8, 9, and the 10. Okay, went to test those lows, which was support, but then was broken and became a resistance. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight my support and resistance area. Okay, where the market has been turning or rejecting. Okay, there, 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 and yeah, so on there also. Okay, and then the next thing that I want to do, I'm just gonna highlight this area as my demand and supply zone. So that is my demand highlighted as line, demand high, and then we had supply. This was actually a demand zone. It was broken. It was a supply zone, but then it was broken, became a demand zone until it was broken again. So now it is a supply zone. So we change that to a red color. Okay, and then we have another supply zone there, and also another supply zone there. So okay, so now if we zoom in, what do we have? If we zoom in, this is what we have. We have lows and highs. So when I have a low and a high, what I do is I'll take my Fibonacci retracement tool to see where exactly this market is retracing to. Okay, so from the lows to the highs. Now the area I look for is the 50 and 61.8. What I'm trying to do here, guys, I'm trying to find confluence. I'm trying to find price confluence where the market, where the orders are, where the banks are placing their buy orders. Okay, so this is my zone 50 and 61.8. Now you have to remember, hedge funds they use Fibonacci retracement tool as a tool for them to actually place their orders. They use these tools, but you must know which tools that the banks use, which tools not to use. They don't use a lot of tools. Fibonacci, it's not an indicator as a tool. I'm not an indicator fan, but yeah, some people use indicators and it works for them. I like tools, like drawing tools, like this supply and demand zones, Fibonacci tool, trend lines. That's what I like. I like tools. Okay, so what happened there when we placed our Fibonacci zone, the market has traced. Okay, okay, the market broke to the upside and then it traced to the 50% zone. What did it do there? It was rejected, it was pushed now to the upside. But then the market was pushed again to the downside, and now this is current. The market came back to that 50 retracement zone. Okay, it came back to that same price. That price was on the 30th, so which means yesterday. Okay, yesterday the market reached that 1.288. Okay, and it was rejected to the upside. Now today it came back to that 1.288 price. Now what I want to see here, I want to see the market being rejected to the upside. Okay, so what we had these highs, we had lows, then we had lower highs, okay, then we had lows at the same price. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to see the market breaking, coming back up to break these highs. I'm not gonna buy it, I'm gonna watch because I'm not chasing the market. I let the market do what I think it's gonna do. If it does what I want it to do, that's when I take advantage. Okay, so I won't you to break those previous highs. Maybe come to retest those highs. I don't know, maybe break them. I don't know. If it, but then the highs that I'm focused on are these ones. I want the market to break these highs, okay, to show me that it wants to push to the upside. And then after breaking those highs, I would look for a retracement to my 61.8. Now, when I have these highs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fibonacci from the low to my new high. Then I'm gonna wait for the market to get to my 61.8. That is the 2618 strategy that I use. Okay. Um, some people in my team know it. I've shown them, I've taught them how to use the strategy. Okay. So the 61.8 is going to be my entry zone. Okay. Now I cannot tell where the 61.8 is going to be because we haven't broken those previous highs. Okay. The market might come down. If it pushes down, I'm not in the trade. It's safe. That's why I don't want to buy it. I want to watch. Okay. So it can still come to these areas, it can still come there. Then what I'm waiting for is for the market to break those previous highs. And break those previous highs, I want to see it coming back to retest at the 61.8. Now that is going to be my entry zone to the upside. Okay. Now the market might come, maybe reject, maybe there, or even go up for, I don't know, but I'm looking to buy it from here. Okay, my first take profit will be at 1.298. I will take maybe half of my profits, and my second take profit will be at 1.30. Okay, and then my stop loss, if I enter in, my entry is there, my entry is there, my stop loss will be 6. I'll just delete one of these. My stop loss will be somewhere. My entry is there. My stop loss will be somewhere here. My entry is going to be there. I'll place my stop loss just behind this area, just behind those highs. Because if you see the market was, it can still come back to those prices and maybe be rejected. So I want to keep my stop loss just below those prices. Okay, then my entry will be here, and that is 2 point, what is that ratio? 2.5 to 1 to what ratio? Okay. Um, so yeah, actually risking 775 pips and looking to gain 162 pips. So risking 75 to get 162 pips is actually a good risk reward ratio. So I'm gonna wait for this pair to play out and see what happens, and then I'll let you guys know. Hopefully, this is going to be a winning pair because I really want you guys to see that this is actually a working strategy. It's been consistent. You just, you know, trade the plan. Just trade the plan. Plan your trades first. Plan your trades, and then after that, you trade your plan. I'm not gonna buy this just because I know it might come up. No, I'm gonna let the market show me that it wants to go up, then come back to my area. Then that is going to be my execution area, buying area to the upside. So yeah, peace you all. I hope some of you guys will learn something from this video. My aim is just to inspire one of you guys, one female or one guy out there who thinks they can also make it. They can also, get the skill of analyzing the market. I mean, like, this is the skill that banks use to trade our money. When we go to Standard Bank and FNB to invest our money, they give it to their financial managers. So those people are the people with the skill of trading. So now when you have the skill of trading, you become your own financial manager. You don't need the banks to trade your money. You can just load your money into your trading account and then just start compounding it, making profits, growing your own money, then getting 100% profit. Okay. So yeah, I hope this is going to be educational and valuable to someone. Just one, even if it's one person, who's going to be inspired or who's going to make money or profits out of tips over profit, guys. Tips, I focus more on tips than profits. find that that person just made 10 pips, you understand? But then they brag about profits that I made $200, whereas they didn't even stay that long in the market. They don't have the guts to stay that long for a very long time in the market to catch, big pips like 100 pips, 80 pips. From 50 pips is enough. 50 pips is a lot. From 50 to 100 pips, those are my kind of pips. Okay, 200 pips is a bonus. Yeah, yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll make 500 pips, 1,000 pips. So yeah, peace.